Okay, for this, you'll need red hot sauce. You'll need 4 tablespoons of pickling spice, a cheesecloth. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of some kind of hot pepper, cayenne, jalapenos, whatever. And then you'll need 4 liters of tomatoes, peeled, cored, chopped. That makes 2 quarts, measured after prep. 2 liters of white vinegar as 5% or higher equals to 4 cups. 500 grams of white sugar is 1 cup, or you can use 2 teaspoons of liquid stevia. And then you'll need 2 tablespoons of pickling salt. Okay? And for the directions, here we go. Make a spice bag for the pickling spice using the cheesecloth and secure them in it. Tied up in a cheesecloth or other cloth bundled is fine. Set aside. Wash stems, seeds, coarsely chop the peppers. Add to a large pot. You'll need at least a quart size or larger. Prep the tomatoes, add to pot. Add to the pot half the vinegar. That's 2 cups. Bring to a boil, then lower to a steady simmer, uncovered until the peppers are soft, about 15 minutes. Puree the mixture in batches to smooth in either a blender or a food processor. Carefully hot temperatures wise. Return mixture to pot. Add sugar, salt, spice bag, and remaining vinegar. That's 2 cups. Bring to a boil, then reduce to a steady but strong simmer. Stir occasionally to prevent the bottom scorching. Let simmer for about 45 minutes to 60 minutes or until mixture mounds a bit on a spoon and becomes constantly almost of ketchup. Discard spice bag. Ladle hot sauce into heated jars. Leave 2 centimeters or a ½ inch headspace. Debubble, adjust the headspace. Wipe your jars around the rim with vinegar. Put a lid on. Process in a water bath or steam canner. Process jars for 15 minutes. Increase time as needed for your attitude. And that's how you make red hot pepper sauce. And this should make 1 cup or 8-ounce jars. Okay, and I'll show you what it all looks like. There's our tomatoes. Doing my spice blend in here. And then when I get ready, I'm going to separate it out. And then can it up. We got in there cayenne peppers that we growed. And pickling spice and sugar and vinegar. That's what's in this Instant Pot. Thanks for watching Tanya's red hot sauce. The best home cooking. Thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you give this hot sauce a try.